Hello, Mark. How about your Indonesian drama? I hope you find and not see. Mark, have that hurry in our village. This student calamity don't easily. Forgive me, Mark, if Muzi cannot back to the village. However, right now, Muzi busy with my job in Singapore. Right, my chief, which very loud. Mark, how about father? Do father back to the village? Mark, you my friend. Already success? I will come back to the village when my job finishes. If my job finishes. If you have program, will invite them to go to Singapore and we will have it there. I hope Andy is not broken school. If have ability. Mom, I want to invite to move to Singapore. Mom, I hope you stay happy. Although Allah giving temptation to us now. I hope you can look my books for not close and fruit. I make you say because I miss my brothers. The first brother I want to go to condition my mother. I'm good and well, I'm sick. I don't know. The second brother couldn't make the village. I'm sorry because I'm not to make the village because I'm very busy with Singapore. The third brother, about condition good brother or busy or what who are doing. Maybe. And who to my friend already successful up or not? I don't know. The second brother, I hope I did not work in school because he is small. I want to move school in Singapore.